But the spirit, as I said, is very, very strong here. These people have smiles on their faces as they deal with this unmitigated disaster. Just as Alex Dennis is on the other side of town with one of those stories, a lady who lost her home but decided she needed to bring free ice cream to people who are trying to survive this heat. Alex, unbelievable.
Bob, it really is. So she sat hunkered down on the second story of her home for about 3 hours with her daughter, not knowing if she was going to live, as she watched that water just creep up the side of her wall. Her home not as devastated as the one behind me, but unfortunately many of her neighbors are living with just this. Cars from down the street, around the block, slammed into homes, knocking them off of their foundations. And that is why she looked around and thought, what can I do? I don't have much. She actually said to me, I only have the pants that are on me right now. I've been wearing them for a couple of days, but I still have my business and I have ice cream. And you know what? It's kind of hot out here. Here's what she decided to do to give a little bit of love to those that need it most.
We just want to be a bright spot. You know, I mean, nobody can be sad eating a cup of ice cream. And we all need a little something today, you know, if we can hug people and give them a cup of ice cream and say, we know how you feel, you know, we've been right there with you. Don't forget, this week we have lots of help, but people need to know that they're loved on, and they are going to need food. Their children are going to need diapers, they're going to need water. They're going to need so many things, so keep coming.
So that's the Milkshakery right in the heart of Waverly. All you have to do is stop by and get some ice cream. While we were there, people were coming in, hugging each other, just thankful to have a moment of normalcy in such a chaotic situation. But Bob, I know you're standing by out there. I just got the latest information because News 2 is partnering with the American Red Cross to raise money for everyone here. We are at $89,575, and we have a family in Brentwood, the Wolcotts, who said if we can raise up to $200,000, they're going to match it. And I think we're well on our way today, Bob.
I think so, too. That's just fantastic. Tennesseans opening their hearts up one more time.